Hey, how's it going? I know this is different. I know you're used to a car, generally. This isn't a car. It's not my car. It's not anyone else's car. It's just a normal table. But I have something very special for you today. It's the kind of traveling that you can't really see on a map. Just kidding, it's not traveling at all. But it's something for my car. And I thought, hey, well, we can look at this together. So, as you guys know, my car has been a little off lately. If you've seen the Jump Start special, you know it dies. I think it's died 4 or 5 times. The battery test's completely good. They just say it's not charging enough. So it probably needs some charging system help. Not totally sure, but in the interim, before I get it fixed, I have something that I saw at the store that I wanted to try. So I thought we'd do an unboxing video together. This is a solar battery maintainer. Not a sponsor, no idea how well it's gonna work. If it works well, I'd love it if they were a sponsor, but that's not gonna happen. Huh? I mean it. Well, anyways, I'm just doing this for our fun. I don't really mean to do this to plug a product or anything like that. So, yeah, this says 2.4 watts solar battery maintainer. It's got some pictures. It's got some photoshopped water on it, I guess to show that it's water resistant. And the back looks about the same as the front. Let's read. Maintains 12-volt batteries, boat, car, motorcycle, snowmobile, watercraft, lawn tractor, truck, ATV, RV, and more. SP200. Interesting. So hey, let's get into it. I think I'm gonna open from the top here. By the way, it says freedom. I don't know if you can see. I don't know why it says freedom. I guess because being able to use a car and not have the battery die is considered freedom. Okay. So didn't open too cleanly. Oh, there was some tape I was supposed to cut. Okay. Oops, maybe that's my fault. Okay, looks like there's some plastic in here. So I'm gonna fold out these 2 tabs. Flip that open. Okay, here we go. Get ready. Okay. Wow. Interesting. Guess it's in some sort of clamshell packaging. Maybe I can. Here, I have a knife here. Yeah, you can just pry it apart without a knife. So how's your day been? Mine's been alright. Yesterday was pretty rough. Okay. So we have our manual. We'll look through that a little bit. You know I like manuals. Or if you don't, I like manuals. Here's the solar panel. It's not too big. I was kind of expecting something bigger based on the box. So here's a cable with an odd connector. Some mounting screws, I guess. Those up to the side. Okay, here we have the cutest little jump start clips I've ever seen. I mean, I guess they're not for jump starting, they're for like drip charging. Oh, that's kind of weird. So the grips on them don't even stay on really. They slide off. Doesn't seem good. Kind of cheap. Well, whatever, we'll see. I mean, maybe it's all you need. It's a little worrying though. And here we have a cigarette car lighter port, you know, when you plug in. Interesting. I wonder if we can use this to keep the battery charged. Who knows? Gonna just slide this off the table. Okay. Screws, panel, 2.4 watts. 2.4 watts, 130 milliamps solar panel. Interesting. Okay, let's look at this instruction manual here. Please save this owner's manual. Safety instructions, risk of explosion, risk of contact, risk of explosive gases, risk of fire, risk of spark. So apparently it's a pretty dangerous tool. I'm guessing there's a lot of things you're probably not supposed to do with it. I wonder if you could charge a phone with it. That would be interesting. I should let you know about that. Okay, so okay, talking about connecting it outside the car. Oh hey, if it has outside, inside, okay. Batteries installed in a vehicle. Check the positivity. Negative grounded vehicle. Operating instructions, maintaining battery, limited warranty, maintenance, moving storage. And then it goes into different languages. Oh, the sticker's peeling off for the label. It's no good. Hopefully this works all right. Okay. So it looks like connect either of the two output cable assemblies to the solar battery maintainer. So there's a 50 amp battery clip cable assembly. So it connects to the solar battery maintainer. Then you connect the output clips to the battery. That's for a 50 amp battery. And then there's the 12 volt accessory plug cable. So we plug that into the battery maintainer. And then we put this into the 12 volt accessory outlet. Route the power cord for the solar battery maintainer through the vehicle's open window. Open window? I don't know if I want to leave my windows open. I'm in Houghton over the winter. That doesn't seem helpful. You know? Okay, here's a question. Is a 50 amp battery clip cable, I'm guessing a 50 amp battery is different than, is a 50 amp battery different than a 12 volt battery? Like, am I not supposed to connect these to my actual battery then? Probably not. Me? No. No, probably not. Okay, well, there's one thing before you go, because we're about done. Apparently, I mean, what else is there to show? Oh, we can see if these plug in correctly. Works. Not actually the best. I mean, they fit together well. Guess they're not gonna fall apart. Yeah, one last thing I want to show you here before you go is this box. I'm telling you, I'm thinking it makes it look like this solar panel is a lot larger than it is. For one, these clips, you know, like when you're eating cereal and it's like enlarged to show texture, I think is what it says. That's like these clips here. Like, those look really big to me. These look really small. Oh well. That's about the same size, I guess. But like, look at the size difference for this box. Look at this. All that space. I thought I was buying something this big. Oh, the label's still coming up. Okay, so I think initial impressions are not too good. If it works, then we're, you know, like, okay. But initially, I don't want to say skeptical, but I'm not. I think there's a solid 50-50 chance this will work, but I'm hoping it does, because I'm sure needing something to work, right? So, anyhow, that was fun. Thanks for coming, watching. Do you guys like unboxing? I mean, I'll be honest, it's not really the point of the channel necessarily. Like for the car trips, I'm like, oh, I want to take trips with friends, and then I like take trip with you, and it's great. With unboxing, I don't know. Maybe I've unboxed things with friends before. Honestly, it's something I kind of enjoy. Well, I really enjoy taking things out of boxes. But I've never done it with a friend before, so that was nice. It was fun. It was cool. Yeah. Cheers. Okay, well, have a great day. I gotta pick some people up from the airport. I've got a ski race to go to. It was a beautiful morning. Maybe I'll leave you guys with this. It's a time lapse I took for you of the sun rising. So like, I'll put it in there or something, and yeah, just look at that sun. It's coming up pretty quick. You know what I'm saying? It's a beaut. I don't know, yeah, sunrise. Dude, not joking though, sunrises are the best. So anyways, have a great day. Enjoy whatever you do Saturdays. Hiking? No, I don't know. Anyways, see ya. Bye.